How do you make a copy on your Brother HL-L2465DW? First step is to obviously open the scan lid. So over here, you open it and you're going to notice there is an icon over here. It simply tells you how to align the paper. You're going to take your document, you're going to place it facing down with the top part of this document towards the left side. And then we need to align this corner over here, the top left corner, with the top left corner of the scanner. So make sure both of them are touching this way. Once you close the scan lid, on the main menu of this printer, you should see copy with the number 1. If you want to make more copies, simply press the plus button over here so you can make more copies or less. If you want to enter in the copy options, you can click on this copy scan options, and over here you can, again with these buttons, change different things like the quality, the contrast, if you want to print on both sides of the paper, density. Every time you press OK, you're going to enter in one of these menus, but most people will not need to press on this button at all. So let me simply go back. So on the main display over here, you see the number of copies. Let's say I want 2 of them. I'm going to simply press the green button and the process will begin. If you have a document with multiple pages, let's say a book with 10 different pages you want to make a copy of, it will ask you next page. If you have another page to make a copy of, remove this one, take your next page, okay, place it over here the way I showed you, press yes, the top arrow, and it will scan the second page and make a copy. And you can do this indefinitely, depending how long is your document. If you're done, press no, because let's say your document only had 2 pages. And it will make the second copy now, because the first copy had 2 pages, these 2, and now it will simply do the same thing once again. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.